very casual conversationalist person, right? Don't be so much serious about conversation. Oh my God, excuse me, about America, the Donald Trump was shotgun. This is absolutely gonna spoil your conversation, and this is gonna make that opposite person a very distant. Abdullah sir, I'm from Uttar Pradesh and I want to speak English. Okay, yeah, you can speak, not a problem. Abdullah sir, I'm from Punjab, I want to talk in English, I want to speak English. Okay, you can speak, not a problem. Abdullah sir, I'm from Ladakh, I want to speak effective English. Multiple people have given a call and a message, they have said for the same thing, I want to speak English. Because Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists in the world, said once that if you are sitting in the class, ask questions to your teachers, it actually defines that you are available mentally. Because I love Jasmine, not you exactly, but I love the word Jasmine. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Abdullah, for a great compliment. Jasmine, tell me what's the exact meaning of Jasmine. See, how you are building questions and questions. You're building questions out of answers. This is the best way to begin the conversation and to take your conversation to take it to the extreme level, next level, to the top level, to the top notch level, and to the destined. Abdullah sir, I'm from Uttar Pradesh and I want to speak English. Okay, yeah, you can speak, not a problem. Abdullah sir, I'm from Punjab, I want to talk in English, I want to speak English. Okay, you can speak, not a problem. Abdullah sir, I'm from Ladakh, I want to speak effective English. Abdullah sir, I'm from Jammu and Kashmir, I want to speak English. Abdullah sir, I'm from Dubai, I'm from Canada, I'm from Kerala, I want to speak English. I just bet it. Multiple people have given a call and a message, they have said for the same thing, I want to speak English. But you know what's the biggest blunder? What's the exact problem in the people that they, at the time of speaking, at the moment of speaking, they go blank. The mind is like, oh my God, what's the next sentence? Should I speak this? Should I speak this? Should I speak this? They have a lot of complications and confusions. They start striving for the next word and the next sentence. I bet you guys. So what's the biggest formula I'm going to share with you? And this is going to help you completely and impactfully. Let's discuss and let's talk about. The formula number 1 is that try to find questions out of questions. Try to find questions out of questions and try to find questions out of answers. For example, when you begin the conversation, for example, there is a girl and her name is Jasmine. So I meet Miss Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. Good morning. Jasmine will be saying that, hi, Abdullah. Good morning. Okay, Jasmine. First of all, I'm so much impressed with your name because I love Jasmine. Not you exactly, but I love the word Jasmine. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Abdullah, for a great compliment. Jasmine, tell me what's the exact meaning of Jasmine. See, how you are building questions and questions. You're building questions out of answers. This is the best way to begin the conversation and to take your conversation to take it to the extreme level, next level, to the top level, to the top notch level, and to the destined level where you can actually do this in an impactful way and an effective way. You just said that, good morning, Jasmine. After that, you asked the name. The moment she told that my name is Jasmine, you just asked that, wow, nice name. What's the meaning of this name? Okay, Jasmine, by the way, who gave you this name? Who gave you this nomenclature? My grandfather gave me this nomenclature and this Jasmine word. Wow, your grandfather was quite visionary. I had a great thought. He gave you a nice name. So, is your grandfather on the earth? He is above the earth or he is under the earth? Means he is alive or he is dead? Yeah, my grandfather he's alive now. Fortunately, I'm so lucky that I have my grandfather is still at my home. Wow, that's nice. So see what actually I have done with Jasmine. I started and began my conversation with Jasmine. After that, I found the questions out of answers, and I began the conversation and I took the conversation to the next level, to the next level, to the next level, to the next level. This is the best way to do the conversation, because in this, what happens, the front person or the opposite person gets fascinated and connected with you, that yes, you are talking something and you are exactly interested, excited, completely attached, completely hooked in the conversation. You are actually a great communicator and a good and effective and empathic listener. That's why you are asking questions. Because Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists in the world, said once that if you are sitting in the class, ask questions to your teachers, it actually defines that you are available mentally. You are available mentally, right? That's why I am giving you the tips. Please ask questions. Ask questions out of the answer. This is the one of the finest tip for you. Another thing is that be very casual conversationalist person, right? Don't be so much serious about conversation. Oh my God, excuse me, about America, the Donald Trump was shotgun, right? He was shot on his head and he was bleeding. And Donald Trump is, he was the former president. And you know that this news, and my person will be quite surprised and maybe quite surprised. He may not be aware about this international and USA news. And you have asked the question out of the box and you just ask about Donald Trump. Maybe he or she does not know. Maybe Jasmine doesn't know about the Donald Trump or the news. So you just be very casual, a kind of very routine person. So what is the routine person? What is the casual conversation? The tip number 2 is absolutely ask very general and very common questions. Hi, how was your day? How was your day? When did you wake up today? What do you like to have? Oh, I think you like a strawberry ice cream flavor, right? Absolutely. Do you like to have a coffee or cappuccino in the cafeteria or out of cafeteria? Would you like to have my handmade coffee or the cafe made coffee? Now you are doing actually one of the greatest thing that you are asking those questions, which question is very simple to answer. If you want to make your conversation or if you want to make your talks very, very impactful and very connecting, be very, very, very general. Be very easygoing. Never go with the greatest news. Never go with international news. Never go with the nifty. Never go with the share market. Never go with the, a lot of things which is kind of barrier for those people. But remember one thing. If the person belongs to a news agency, talk to him. If a person belongs to the hospitals, talk about the medicines to that person because he belongs to the hospital. If a person belongs to the psychology, talk to him about the psychiatry, psychology, and psychiatrist and psychologist, right? If a person belongs to the mentorship, training, teaching industry, talk to that person about the teaching and the syllabus. If a person belongs to the seismography, talk about the earthquake and the speed of earthquake, right? If a person belongs to the electrician department, talk to him about the electricity and electrical departments. If a person belongs to the share market and nifty and all, yes, you just talk to the person about the same purpose. But remember, if you're doing casual conversation, casual talks, please don't worry about this and don't just include all these international kind of agendas and muddas and issues and points and information and knowledge in your topic, right? This is absolutely gonna spoil your conversation and this is gonna make that opposite person a very distant. So for example, let's begin with the Jasmine, right? Hi Jasmine, good morning. Hi Abdullah, good morning. How are you doing? Yeah, Jasmine, I'm doing great. What about you? Yeah, me too, doing great, right? I think, Abdullah, if you have not taken breakfast, so I'll love to serve you breakfast, right? I'm just, I'm in the kitchen and cooking the breakfast for you, right? If you'd like to have that. Jasmine, I would love to have the breakfast made by you. Sure, I would be happy to serve you the breakfast. Please have it. I have made some sandwich for you and I will give you a cup of coffee. It's made by Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine, for this great service and for this great hospitality. I'm so much impressed. Thank you for this. Wow. So tasty, Jasmine. So tasty sandwich, by the way, right? And the coffee is quite tasty. And I could say that it's lippy smacking. Thank you, Jasmine, for this. So, Jasmine, what's your today's plan? My today's plan is that because it's Sunday, so I want to go to a cinema hall for watching a movie. Okay, fine. Not a problem. But I'm sorry, Jasmine, because I'm having to go right now. I can't go with you because it's not my official off. So I'll meet you tomorrow and then we can go together to cinema hall, otherwise to a restaurant, right, for having dinner together, right? Don't mind, Abdullah, don't mind, right? Yes, sure, definitely, I'll catch you tomorrow. Kitna, how sweet conversation is it, like with Jasmine? Jasmine is a nice name. I understand that you'll be so impressed with this. But remember that if I'm having a conversation with Jasmine, I'm having a casual conversation. So ladies and gentlemen, my dear mentees and trainees and my dear viewers, if you want to develop your speaking skills, your communication skills, go with the base. Never go with the hi-fi topics, right? Never talk about something which is absolutely out of your syllabus, out of your pocket, right? Talk whatever inside of your pocket and talk whatever inside in your mind, right? That is why talk always basic. I would like to have a cup of coffee. I would like to have breakfast. I would like to have a brunch, snacks. I would like to go there. I would like to go cinema hall. I would like to go with you. Let's go with me. Okay, what are you doing these days? All right, tell me something special about you. All these questions and answers will help you. I hope this video is going to make you completely a very good casual conversationalist person, right? And I believe that today I gave you nice tips to improve your English. God bless you. Jai Hind. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar.